Meaning of hacking jacket.
Hacking jacket.
Hacking jacket.
Hacking jacket.
Hacking jacket. A hacking jacket is a type of sport coat that was originally designed for horseback riding but became popular as a fashionable item worn for outdoor pursuits. It typically features a single vent, 3 buttons, and a tailored fit. The name hacking comes from the term hack, which refers to a horse used for riding on roads or trails. The jacket was designed with this activity in mind, featuring a longer length and roomier fit for ease of movement while on horseback. Today, the hacking jacket is still a popular garment for outdoor activities and casual wear.